Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram create a cutout sticker option not showing. So there are some feature that may be buggy or not showing because of you don't update your Instagram. So please, you can update your Instagram now by open Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram, and please update from here. If you already update your Instagram, do not open it yet, so you can hold the Instagram application icon and tap application info, and here you can clear some cache first. You can tap clear cache and you can consider to clear the data, but you need to relog in into your account. But it's better in order to fix some bugs. And after you update, after you clear cache and clear data, you can open it. Now you can create your Instagram cutout sticker, for example, from someone post. If you tap three dots, there is no cutout sticker option. It means the owner disable the feature. So let's try open another feed, another post. And this one, for example, you can tap three dot at the top of post, and here create a cutout sticker. You can tap it. Now you can create sticker from someone post, and here we go. You can save the sticker, and of course you can try to use the sticker directly from story. You can tap plus button and tap on story. Now you can tap sticker option at the top of your screen, and here we go. This is the cutouts. So tap the cutouts and choose the stickers. So here we go. You can create sticker manually by tap the glasses or the object. Here we go. You can use sticker now. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.